how to log out of Webtoon. So if you want to log out or sign out of your Webtoon account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you need to just open up your Webtoon application. After going with the application, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots, and you can tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now if you scroll down, then as you can see that you don't have any log out option right here. So in order to log out of your account, what you need to do is you need to just go back and tap and hold on to your Webtoon application. Go with the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and after that tap on clear storage. Tap on delete app data. After deleting your app data, now if you try to open up your Webtoon, then you'll be logged out of your account. So tap on allow, and as you can see that you've been logged out. So that's how you can log out of your Webtoon, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.